In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Messenger low volume. Let's get started. First, you'll need to check the volume in your device. You can use the volume keys to increase the volume in your device. With this, your problem might be solved. Next thing you want to do is update your Messenger. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Messenger. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, clear cache for Messenger app. For that, launch settings. Navigate to the option General, click on iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find Messenger and launch it. Then click on Offload app. Confirm it. Then click on Reinstall app. Then you can launch your Messenger and check whether your problem has been fixed or not. Lastly, give a fresh restart to your device. And that's it. These are some fixes for Messenger low volume. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.